Now that our environment is set up, let's go ahead and start coding. First, we want this function over here. Okay, so we will be working on this one. In our index.js file, to take the elements which we create and add them to the DOM of our page. Let's also remove the React strict mode over here. I'm going to get rid of this one, and that's going to end till here. I'm going to get rid of this. Make sure you keep the comma there. Save that. Now let's have a look at the function react dom.render. What react dom.render does is it takes the first element is the element that we want to create. So let's create our first element. So what we're going to do is we're going to type in react dot create element, and then that's a function there, and inside this the first element which I want to create is a h1 tag, and I can pass in null there, and then just type in hello world. Let's save that. Since we have removed the app component, we can also remove the import app from this thing over here. Save that again. So what this will do is this will create a h1 in the page. So let's go to the browser, and you can see here we have a hello world. So what's actually happening here? Let's get back to our code. Here you can see that in the react dom.render function, we gave the first argument what we want to render. In the second argument, we gave an location where we want to render in. In our case, it's the root ID. So where is the root ID? So if you go to the public folder over here, and inside that, you can see that we have index.html. Let's click on this one. And here you can see that we have a dev id root. So let's go to our browser here, and what we can do is we can right click and inspect this. So here you can see that we have the HTML, then we have the body tag, then we have the div with the id root, and the element which we created with the help of React, that is the hello world. Now in our code you can see that the index.js over here, the second element we gave this here as null. The second element, which is null, is for properties. We can pass a style property. For example, I can get rid of this null here, and we can put this flower braces, just type in style, and inside that I'm going to give another flower braces. I'm going to call this as color, and then we can specify the color in string. So I'm going to call this as blue. Let's save that. Now if you go to the browser, you can see the text which you created is in blue color. Now you have to make sure that the color name which you give should be in these quotations over here. If not, this will throw an error because blue here is a string and should be added with these quotations. Great, we have created our first element and applied some styles on it with the create react app.